Cleaning your car is one of the most satisfying things you can do. Preparing for a cruise night, a car show, or just getting your daily driver to look better than your neighbors. Well, Eastwood has developed a full line of car care products that will help keep your ride in tip-top shape. We know people are brand loyal to their detailing supplies, but we also know that Eastwood has been serving the car community for over 40 years. So trust us when we say we took our time developing the most quality and affordable chemicals and supplies we possibly could. Soaps, detail sprays, leather cleaners, brushes, foam cannons, drying towels, high-quality microfibers, and so much more. We're ready to get your car back or better than its original shine. So whether you just need a quick wipe down with our detail spray or a full-on paint correction, we have what you need. To check out our full line of detail products, click the link in the description and head over to eastwood.com.